Master the full range of motion squats for ultimate lower body strength. Welcome to our video guide on elevating your squat technique. Today, we're diving into the world of full range of motion squats, a cornerstone for enhancing lower body strength and stability. Mastering the full range of motion squat begins with your stance. Position your feet hip-width apart, with a slight outward toe angle. This foundation is crucial for a strong squat. Initiating the squat, focus on bending your knees and pushing your hips back. It's like sitting back into a chair, ensuring your form remains solid throughout the movement. A key point to remember is keeping your chest lifted. This not only aids in maintaining balance but ensures your spine stays in a safe alignment. Ensure your knees are tracking over your toes. This alignment is vital for protecting your joints and engaging the correct muscles throughout the squat. Aim to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel with the floor, or even deeper if your mobility allows. This depth is the hallmark of a full range of motion squat. Rising back to the starting position, drive through your heels. This engages your glutes and hamstrings effectively, making the most out of the upward phase of the squat. Incorporating full range of motion squats into your routine can dramatically improve your lower body strength, flexibility, and overall performance. Remember, like any skill, perfection comes with practice. Start slow, focus on form, and gradually increase your depth and resistance. Happy squatting!